Captions are indeed one of the best tools to enhance understanding. They provide clarity, improve accessibility, and allow people to follow along, regardless of language or hearing ability.
Today, I'm challenging myself to finger paint a stunning sunset with water reflections, and I have no idea how this will turn out. Finger painting a sunset is one of my favorite creative activities. There's something so joyful and liberating about using your fingers to create bold, vibrant colors and textures on paper. It's an amazing way to express yourself and tap into your inner artist, and I just can't get enough of it. When it comes to painting a stunning sunset, many artists struggle to capture the beauty and essence of this natural phenomenon. One of the biggest challenges is conveying the sense of warmth and light that a sunset evokes. It's tricky to get the colors just right, and to create a sense of depth and atmosphere in your painting. Another challenge is capturing the subtle play of light on the water, which can add an extra layer of complexity to your painting. But even with these challenges, the reward of creating a breathtaking sunset painting is well worth the effort. There's something so special about capturing the fleeting beauty of a sunset, and preserving it on paper for years to come. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, the process of creating a sunset painting can be incredibly fulfilling. For many artists, the biggest hurdle is simply getting started. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the vast range of colors and techniques involved in painting a sunset, and to worry that your final result won't live up to your vision. But the truth is, the most important thing is to just dive in and have fun. With practice and patience, you'll be amazed at what you can create. Let's get started with the materials we'll need for this project. For our finger painting, we'll need some high-quality paper that can handle the wet and dry techniques we'll be using. I love using hot-press watercolor paper, because it gives us a nice smooth surface to work on. We'll also need some finger paints, of course. I'll be using a range of vibrant colors to capture the warm tones of the sunset. Finally, we'll need some paper towels and a cup of water to help us blend and smooth out our colors. To start our painting, let's begin with the sky. I'll be using a mix of yellow ochre and burnt orange to create a warm, golden tone. I'll apply the paint in broad, sweeping strokes, using my fingers to spread the color evenly across the paper. As I work, I'll be using my paper towels to gently blot the paint and create a soft, textured effect. Next, let's add some clouds to our sky. I'll be using a light touch and a gentle stroking motion to create soft, wispy clouds that drift across the page. Don't be afraid to experiment and try out different techniques as you work. Finger painting is all about embracing the process and having fun. Now it's time to add our sunset colors. I'll be using a mix of pink, orange, and yellow to create a vibrant, gradient effect. I'll apply the paint in bold, sweeping strokes, using my fingers to blend the colors together and create a sense of movement and energy. As we add more color and texture to our painting, it's starting to come alive. The vibrant hues of the sunset are really starting to pop, and the subtle play of light on the water is adding an extra layer of depth and atmosphere to the scene. I just love how this is turning out. It's truly stunning. And here's the final result. Isn't it breathtaking? The warm, vibrant colors of the sunset are just glowing on the page, and the subtle play of light on the water adds an extra layer of magic to the scene. I'm so thrilled with how this turned out, and I hope you are too. One of the things I love most about finger painting is the sense of satisfaction and pride you get from creating something beautiful with your own two hands. It's an amazing feeling, and it's something that I hope you'll experience for yourself as you continue to explore the world of finger painting. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you'll share your own sunset paintings with me in the comments below. If you're looking for more art tutorials and inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel for more content. Happy painting, and I'll see you in the next video.